Want to know how to make $100 a day online and offline? Perhaps you're also trying to look for a money-making hobby or the perfect side hustle weekend job for some extra cash. You feel like you're constantly running low on your monthly funds. After paying all your bills like rent, food, utilities, insurance, and car, there's probably not enough to cover for your basic living expenses, let alone an entertainment fund. I know exactly how you feel, and that's why you're here to learn how to make a $100 in one day. Being able to make extra money could help you save more and spend. 1. Make $100 with paid service. Some people asked how to make $100 a day with PayPal. By taking paid surveys. Okay, let me make it clear, you won't make millions from taking surveys online, but it is a fun, safe and legitimate way to make extra money today. Earning PayPal money from the best online survey sites. They didn't make me rich, nor did you can make $100 a day with them, but they did help you earn $50 to $100 PayPal cash or free gift cards in a month. You could use this extra cash in however way you like. 2. Get paid to watch videos online. Big brands are looking to pay consumers like you consumers to watch short snippets of their content. That includes videos you watch on TV every day like movie trailers or new product features. These established get paid to sites like Swagbix will pay you to watch these types of videos online. Just like survey sites, you won't get rich, but you could up to $500 each month when you are consistent at doing these online activities like how you normally do every day. 3. Invest your time in crafts that make money. Another creative way to make money from home is to take advantage of your crafting skills. Can you sew, knit, draw, upcycle or make home decor items using classic mason jars? The earning power is endless when you come to discover your hidden talent in crafting. You'd be surprised to find out that you're actually more creative and artsy than you think. 4. Deliver food with Uber Eats. It doesn't take a lot of skills to deliver food with Uber Eats. You could be earning extra money whenever you want during your free time. You could deliver food in the mornings, the evenings or nights. The job is flexible and you are your own boss who sets your schedule. 5. Start a blog and make $100 a day. Starting a blog can become a lucrative way to make $100 a day or more. You could make money blogging through various methods, such as displaying ads on your site, using affiliate marketing, sponsorships, creating your own products, selling your services online, and more. Of course, starting a blog isn't as easy as how most successful bloggers make it look or sound. It will determine a lot of hard work and effort on your part. Not just that, but you'll need to understand how a blog makes money along with many aspects of the business itself. If you enjoy talking about a certain topic and are passionate about sharing your ideas with the world, then you can get started with a cheap hosting plan, domain name, and ideas on how to promote your content. 6. Make money on YouTube. If you don't want to start a blog and write, the alternative is to go on YouTube. That's if you love being on TV. You hear so many people make $100 in a day or more just by creating their own YouTube channel. From beauty to electronics and toy reviews, you could make money on YouTube by providing helpful content and speaking to your audience. Similar to blogging in some ways, you could make money online by displaying ads on your channel, using affiliate marketing, and creating your own products.